Hi everyone, so today we will learn how you can show and hide menu bar in VS Code editor. So I'm talking about this menu bar. To hide it, you can click on this icon on the top right. You can see it is written customize layout. And you will get the very first option, menu bar. Currently it's visible. Click here to hide it. Click again to make it visible. So this is the one way to toggle the visibility of menu bar. Let me show you the another way. The other way is opening the command palette. To open the command palette, you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus P. You can see it's already showing here because I recently used it. So if it is not appearing here, you can simply type toggle menu bar. Okay. Then simply click on it to toggle the visibility. So you can see it is gone. To make it visible again, follow the same process. Ctrl plus Shift plus P. You will see the command palette. You can see we got toggle menu bar here. Click on it and you can see now the menu bar is visible. So I hope you understood how to show and hide menu bar in the VS Code editor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.